Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the power volume button flex on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet. Then begin removing the display from the front. Gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Use a heating pad with the screen facing down and run the tablet heating cycle. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Please note that some tablets may require additional heating. Next, use a suction cup on the side to create a small gap. Insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and carefully slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Take your time and avoid inserting the tool too deep. Use just the tip. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector and then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty power limb flex from the body. First, remove the logic board from the body. Remove the plastic bracket by undoing 6 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex plug by removing the bracket. Next, remove the camera bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, undo the screw securing the board and then disconnect the front camera. Next, gently lift the board and keep it aside. Next, remove the faulty power limb flex by applying some heat. You can use a heat gun for this process. Next, secure the new power in flex on the frame. Verify the connector part is securely placed on the frame. Next, align the logic board and securely place it on the frame. Next, fasten the main flex plug and secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure the front camera plug and then secure the main flex bracket by adding the screw. Next, place the plastic bracket by adding 6 screws. And finally, secure the camera bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, apply B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive around the frame. Next, install the display assembly to the body. First, secure the LCD plug and then connect the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, gently slide the screen into place from bottom to top and press lightly along the edges to secure it. Finally, we add in bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.